Hello everyone, and welcome to a special edition of Chade's LEGO review, where we're gonna review something that isn't a buildable block. Now, that's pretty cool, I'll admit. I don't typically do stuff that isn't edible, like Legos, or whatever the fuck that other last set was. But I just couldn't resist this. I really couldn't. So here we have, fucking the Mash'ems. Super squishy, and it's the Paw Patrol edition. Holy shit. Like, I had to jump on this. Like, dude, imagine if I got him. Or... oh shit, they're glow in the dark. Wait. I hope I get one for the glow in the dark. Oh, I can't read that. 6 series? Sari? Okay, alright. But I had to jump on this, and as you guys know, I do have 6 kids in my basement, so it's all good. This is really sick. This will be a quick episode, but like, who couldn't resist just getting a hold of one of these? Like, honestly. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna try to open it up one-handed. Lasts a long time, just like me in bed. You know what? We don't have a name for him yet, because the last video hasn't been out very long. This is just a special issue. But we're gonna... fuck! We got a little bit of it off. Hopefully I can swing this where we can get the whole thing going here. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Where the fuck? Oh. Come here, you little shit. There we go. So we got that off. It's pretty cool. Now, suspense. What is it? Who do we get? It says, that's kind of terrifying. That's just a fucking eye. He's looking at me. Oh. Get away from me, Satan. Who do we get? I can't tell from here. Oh, dude, it looks like I got the main character. Oh, shit. Oh, dude. Dude, if I got the main character, I'm gonna be so turned. Dude, I did! Fuck yeah! Dude, this is goated. This is amazing. Oh, these are edible too? Fuck yeah. I'm gonna eat the shit out of them. Oh, God. Alright, well, I'll be right back with the video. Or with the fucking character. Open it out. And here we have the main Paw Patrol guy. Well, the paint job on him is a little sus. I could squeeze his head and make him big brain plays. Look at him. Anyway, he doesn't look too bad. You know what we should make this? This should be a what's inside video. I'm gonna do that. It's a what's inside video. What's inside fucking Paw Patrol? Just put it right down the note. So should I go like the regular way, or should I go like the Muslim extremist way? I don't know. Let me tease him. I just broke a little bit. Nope. Surprising. Alright, well, I'll get right back to you guys. Okay. I just broke them open. I really hope that's... oh, God. He just spewed it. He squirted everywhere. Look at him. Look at his fucking face. He just squirted all over. All over my fucking leg. All over my fucking laptop. Fuck. Hold on, let's see if he squirts anymore. Oh! What is this? What is this stuff? Fuck you! Oh my god. Well, he literally just fucking exploded all over me. I mean, that happens a lot with women, but like, I didn't expect it to happen now with this. Now let me get this cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Alright, well, you know, I didn't expect a squirting experience today, but, I guess that happened, but we're gonna cut him even more in half. We're gonna see here. Alright. God damn it. I'll be right back. I'll have to do this. Alright, so we're back. I did chop him in half, or as best as I could. Jesus. Yeah, so I guess this is what's inside. A bunch of squirting liquid. It's okay, I need to clean my room anyway from all the orgies I have, but, oh. Damn. Let's see if... Shit. Well, I don't think Paw Patrol is anymore, but, you know, Paw Patrol squirting experience gone wrong. Jesus. You know, 25 subs, I'll send this to somebody. Yeah, that's what I'll do. 25 subs, and you will receive this Paw Patrol figure in the box. In the box. Let's put his ass back in the box here. Yeah. All right. All right. Well, you know, 25 subs, and you get this, guys. So. Like, comment why you think he squirted on me. I mean, I know why, but give me a comment on why you think he squirted on me, and you'll have a Chade an evening.